Dear friends, welcome back to my channel Understanding RS-GIS and Geography. In this video, I am going to show one new and important thing about ArcMap, and this will be very much important video for you. So like this video, share among your friends, and of course comment me if you have any queries or suggestions for me. And in this video, I am going to show how you can join different data etc. from Excel in ArcMap Shapefile. Okay, so what tool you need to do, you need to use etc. I'll show in this video, so see this video up to the end. And if you are not a subscriber of my channel, please subscribe my channel Understanding RS-GIS and Geography. So you can see this is a Shapefile, and I'm deselect, and this is the attribute table. Here 3 polygons are there, and this is the FID, shape and ID. Based on one common feature, you need to create the Excel sheet. And see that this is the Excel sheet, and I'm creating the same one common feature and one or more other features to join within this Shapefile from the Excel. So I'm selecting FID 0 1 2. Okay, and then I'm selecting select population. Population 2000, 5000, and then 3000, and any other what, see that working population, working population 150, 450, and here 800. Okay, and then you need to do what? You need to save as Excel 1997 and 2003. I have saved this, and now I will open in ArcMap. For that, what you need to do, already from here also you can then sheet 1, add, see already added, you can open, see that those these things are added in the ArcMap. Now what you need to do, just right click here and click on join and relates, then join, then you have to give this join attribute table and choose the field in this layer that the join will be based on what basis you will join, means the common feature. FID is the common. Okay, and then it is automatically taken, add, and choose the field in the table to base the join will be. This is also the FID. Keep all records, keep only matching records, keep all records, and then click on OK and open attribute table. See that on the basis of this FID, these two things are added. This is the process how you can join any data from Excel within the ArcMap interface with the Shapefile. This is all about this video. Please like this video, share among your friends, and of course comment me if you have any queries or suggestions for this channel. And I want to request you please join my channel for better videos and better help from me. I'll try as much as possible to help you on the geospatial analysis etc. Thank you so much.